We have created a suite of products which is going to be our ever-growing collection of products for good. The core project was started as a group of our apprentices that designed and worked on these to bring this to fruition, to bring this to life as a product. Backed up by research, these are our anxiety relief products. It's about being subtle, it's about little touches that are going to help the wearer be able to feel less anxious in certain situations. One of the key areas would be a breathing loop, which is just down here on the pocket, really easy to reach for. The breathing loop is made from 3D embroidery, so it's textured, it's raised. We also have different features down the arm with different embroidery features, different print methods on there. So again, to touch that, there's all sorts of different things from a sensory perspective that are going on. And here is a different iteration, new versions of the design that have come out of this. So it's a similar format. Something down the sleeves, we've got a really nice built-up embroidered pattern here, something which you can follow with your fingertips. A breathing loop design, one that you can follow to help with breathing. And another feature that we've got is an inside neck quote, something which is great to look at every day before you put it on. And that is featured in every single one of these designs. So you can see different features in here. So we have different types of print with embroidery over the top, with some 3D embroidery over the top to create something that's really textured, something really sensory to touch and feel. But again, it's just a subtle design, it's just a different design. Breathing loop here, and again, across this one, another 3D circular breathing loop. And all of these colours as well have been chosen so that they represent a more calming colour palette. So those are chosen on purpose, it's not something that's just chosen at random. Each of our anxiety relief hoodies comes with this fidget pen too. And that completes our range of the anxiety relief hoodies. These are all part of our Products for Good range and are on our website, and we are continuing to innovate for this collection that's going to be on the site. So please keep checking back and we'll keep announcing when we launch new products.